This rebate will deliver nearly $2.2 billion in tax relief, kickstart the construction of 8,000 additional homes, support up to 21,000 jobs, boost Ontario's GDP by up to $2.7 billion, and bring the dream of home ownership in reach.
Simula April 1, 2026 hanggang March 31, 2027, pansamantala na munang tatanggalin sa Ontario ang Harmonized Sales Tax o HST na ipinapataw sa mga bagong gawang bahay o pre-construction properties. Hakbang daw para palakasin ang housing sales ayon kay Ontario Premier Doug Ford.
This additional funding will cover the federal 5% portion of the HST, which will allow us to provide a full 13% HST rebate instead of just covering the provincial portion.
Sa planong tax break ng Ford government, kasangga ang federal government, palalawigin daw ang eligibility sa lahat ng buyers ng newly built properties at hindi lamang umano para sa first-time home buyers. Mahigit 2 bilyong joint tax relief daw ang hatid ng partnership ng dalawang gobyerno. Pero buwelta ng oposisyon sa probinsya.
Nothing about this announcement actually helps to build a single home. And really that's where the crisis is right now in Ontario, is the lack of affordable homes for people.
Maaaring makatanggap ng rebate ang eligible buyers ng hanggang $130,000 para sa mga property na aabot sa halagang $1 milyong. Bagamat hilaw pa raw ang mga detalye, positibong balita raw para sa housing market ang pansamantalang tax break ayon sa ilang real estate experts.
With this HST rebate, it's actually helped the buyers' affordability because pag bumili ka ng, sabi mo ng 500,000, right? That's at least saving na for you. A lot of builders have stopped launching and canceled few units kasi nga ang daming mga unsold. So with this, removing the HST, I think it will help the developers to sell yung mga unsold nilang condos.
Pero mariing paalala nila dahil sa inaasahang pagtaas ng demand, mahalaga ang maingat na pagpaplano, lalo't limitadong panahon lamang ang anunsyong rebate.
This temporary HST rebate, that it doesn't mean the tax disappears at the point of sale. Okay, you still need to have that extra funds, right? So technically, you still pay that 13% upfront on newly built homes, but then the government rebates or refunds it back to you after your purchase through a formal application with CRA.
Paula Saraza, Omni News, Toronto.